So Apple is rebooting the entire SE series with the iPhone SE4. The new model will feature a completely new design and updated internal components. Apple plans to use Organic Light-Emitting Diode A.K.A. OLED displays in all iPhone models sold next year and beyond, including its low-price iPhone SE model, which will switch from LCD screens to OLED. According to multiple sources, Apple has begun placing orders for OLED displays for the upcoming iPhone SE4 from Chinese BOE Technology Group and South Korea's LG Display. This change marks the end of LCDs in iPhones, with the SE model scheduled for release in next year also featuring an OLED display. This news also considers that the iPhone SE4 is rumored to feature an iPhone 14-like design. Some schematic images have already been seen showing the phone in similar form like the iPhone 14. The phone is said to have a Face ID instead of a Touch ID. Finally, Apple is moving away from the famous Touch ID in the SE series. I know some people may not like this decision, but come on people, we are in 2024 and Touch ID will break the future barrier. Now with Touch ID gone, the iPhone SE4 will have a 6.1 inches display size, a big upgrade over the iPhone SE 5G's 4.7 inches display with a home button. The iPhone SE4 will come with an A18 processor. Yes, the iPhone SE4 will have the same CPU as the iPhone 16, which makes this phone interesting and worth waiting for. The SE4 has become even more appealing with the addition of the action button, a fantastic feature introduced in the iPhone 15 Pro. This button has not only replaces the traditional mute switch but also offers extra functionalities, giving a stylish and modern touch to this affordable device. Speaking of the camera, it would support a 1080p cinematic mode, which is rather interesting because of its a single 48 megapixel camera. See, the current iPhone SE can't do this, but other iPhones do this by using the main and ultra-wide cameras. It is suspected that new techniques and AI assistant will be utilized for this feature. The leak continues to say that the iPhone SE4 will feature a smart HDR, AI photography and portrait mode. The iPhone SE series has always been known for its simplicity and affordability, but if the leaks and speculations about the iPhone SE4 are true, it seems like things are about to change. The rumored feature of the SE4 suggests that it could revolutionize the budget smartphone market, offering an awesome combination of modern design, upgraded internals and a competitive price. So what do you think of this iPhone SE4? Let me know in the comments. With that being said, subscribe if you like, and I will see you in the next one.